Alright, we just finished installing this in place of the 86 Brown Delta 2. This is a Delta from 83. This light kit is not original, nor are these blades. The original blades are oak. These are walnut cane. Look much better than the original blades. I picked this up for him. And so far we are both enjoying this a lot.
So the kids, the Parduzzi kids, basketball.
Looks like one of the blades is out of clock.
Yeah, well, what do you expect? Them to actually be in perfect balance with each other? That's a funny joke. I don't trust it.
Very minimal wobble.
Yeah, there's not much.
If this was on a recall clip, it would be worse.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, I have the light on because
Yeah, it's harder to see with the light off.
slight scratchy bearings, but they're not horrible. And that is the beautiful Brown Delta.